Welcome to Beyond the Event Horizon. Today we're digging into, well, a pretty significant moment in AI discussions. It revolves around Sam Altman's recent piece, The Gentle Singularity.
That's right, and we're looking at it through the lens of a really insightful commentary by Jay Poole.
So we have Altman's original post and then Poole's analysis helping us unpack what it all really means.
Exactly. Our goal here for you listening is to get at the weight behind Altman declaring we've crossed an event horizon with AGI.
And crucially, why Poole argues this moment really forces us to bake ethics in from the absolute start, not just sprinkle it on later.
Yeah, it's foundational. Poole frames it as the only way to consciously build this future, to aim for something genuinely gentle.
Right. It feels like a major shift, not just tech talk, but about our participation.
Definitely. It's saying, okay, this isn't just theory now, so how do we actively shape it?
So Altman kicks off with this powerful metaphor, the singularity having an event horizon, and he drops this line, the least likely part of the work is behind us.
That lands heavily, doesn't it?
It really does, and what Poole emphasizes isn't just the statement itself. Lots in the field may have felt this way privately, but who is saying it and when?
Okay, hearing it publicly from the head of OpenAI, Poole says that's the signal flare. It's when the rest of the world kind of starts to catch up and realize, oh, we are past a certain point.
It's not just speculation anymore. It becomes a milestone, almost exactly a declared milestone.
And Altman also hints at this acceleration, doing potentially a decade's worth of research in a year, which ties into something Poole talks about, right? This RIE thing?
Right, RIE, Recursive Intelligence Evolution, Poole's term.
It's not quite the full-blown sci-fi AI improving itself overnight, but he calls it the larval form.
Larval form, okay. Meaning these systems are already in feedback loops. They're learning from outputs, interacting with tools, essentially tweaking the process of their own development, getting better at getting better, which leads to another huge idea from Altman, intelligence cost.
Potentially converging with electricity cost, basically super abundant, almost free intelligence.
Yeah, abundant sounds great, but Poole immediately flags the flip side, ethical volatility.
Ethical volatility. Explain that a bit.
Well, just having tons of cheap intelligence doesn't automatically make things better. Poole puts it starkly. If intelligence becomes abundant, but kindness does not, the singularity will not be gentle.
Wow. So for Poole, alignment, making sure AI goals serve us, isn't just a safety feature you add on.
It has to be the fundamental structure, the scaffolding you build first.
And Altman gives a concrete example of misaligned using these social media feeds.
He does, naming them explicitly, optimized for short-term engagement, causing long-term harm. Poole notes how, kind of rare and important that admission is.
Yeah, you don't hear that often from industry leaders.
Exactly, but Poole says, okay, admission is step one. Step two is proactive re-architecture. It's not just about admitting harm, it's about rebuilding systems so their core orientation is aligned with human well-being.
Not just guardrails, but the actual direction it's pointing.
Altman also pairs intelligence and energy, these twin pillars of the future, both becoming superabundant.
And Poole adds a crucial layer there. He points out that intelligence, raw intelligence, doesn't inherently fight entropy or disorder.
In fact, in unchecked, it can accelerate it.
Accelerate chaos?
Potentially, yeah, unless it's consciously, ethically harnessed. The risk isn't the abundance itself, it's abundance without sort of purpose or ethical grounding. Altman suggests the whole process, the singularity, the merge, feels gentle because it's gradual, bit by bit, which resonates with Poole's view.
It's less like a sudden impact, more like a slow dawn.
Okay, but seeing that dawn breaking now, Poole argues gives us a responsibility, not just to watch it happen, but to actively guide it, translate what's happening, tend to it carefully as it unfolds.
And that connects to the idea of building a brain for the world, this collective intelligence.
Yeah, it's a powerful metaphor, and Poole runs with it saying if we're building that, it demands incredible care, solidarity, respecting different cultures. Ethics can't just be like a module you plug in.
It has to be wired in.
Exactly, embedded in the synapses, as Poole puts it, which raises huge questions he thinks we need to ask now. What memories does this world brain keep? What should it forget? What are its dreams? Are we building a sanctuary or just, a machine?
So putting Altman's post and Poole's commentary together, yeah, it really feels like we're charting new territory.
And understanding this for you listening isn't just like an academic exercise.
No, not at all. It's preparation. It's about getting ready for conscious participation in whatever comes next.
Poole essentially sees Altman's post as a call for coherence, a need for new ways of thinking, and, importantly, new stewards.
And that call extends outward. Poole's invitation really is to you.
Yeah, come build the gentle singularity, but not passively watching from the sidelines. Jump in as ethical participants. Let the merge be not just with machines, but with meaning.